Short bursts of right-sized content that solve a specific problem. That's what we're looking for, because my focus is on micro-learning, right? An example of that is recently I had a toilet that broke at my house. I'm not a plumber, but I thought, hey, what the heck, let's give this a shot, right? So I went onto YouTube, I found a video, it wasn't the best video, but you know what? It was the best content-driven video. I was able to fix my toilet, I had everything that I needed, and at the end of the day, it worked. But the key here is that the guy did not give me the history of the toilet. He didn't give me the history of the hammer. He didn't give me a test at the end. He told me exactly what I needed to do to fix the specific thing that was wrong with my toilet. And that, I think, when we talk about instructional video, or graphics for that matter, I think simplicity is the key. 85% of the big fat courses out there are just an infographic screaming to get out. Well-designed infographics usually have, if you think about all the components, they've got a clear, simple picture, they've got dynamic color, they've got a flow that is easy to read, and it's got some sort of call to action or a solution. To me, if you took an infographic, a well-designed infographic, that almost becomes a script for your how-to video.
Right.
Right? So the two things connect. So I absolutely believe that. People want to be able to look, got it, and go. And images are the best way to do that.